everyone, thank you for joining me on my channel today. I am Tara, and just to start out here, I'm prepping my canvas. I always level my canvas, and then I always paint my edges twofold. It does keep the edges from showing the white canvas through, as well as it helps the design stick because I'm using such thin paints. So I'm sure you guys have heard me say that a million times if you've watched my videos. Here's the colored pearl cell recipe. I did add that to my DECOART 24 karat gold. I spread that over the whole canvas, flooded it, and then you'll see that I am going to now put the puddle paint, which is the Amsterdam titanium white, mixed with this pouring medium. So I am trying to redeem myself from last week's video. So you saw me fail on that last video, and this is really the vision that I had, but I had to kind of change it up a little bit because what was happening last week is that the DECOART 24 karat gold mixed with the satin enamel was eating my paint for the Dutch pour portion, and I was not happy about that. So I decided that I would try it a little bit differently. So I still did the DECOART 24 karat gold as my base, which, I mean, you guys can see it's super reactive. Like, you have to do this so quick in order to not get really super wonky cells. So I still did the base. I love that look of the kind of the giraffe looking cells as my base, so I did that. And then you'll see here, I am gonna let this develop. It develops gorgeous. You guys, I love these cells so much. And these pearl cells, they turned out so cool. And then I let it dry completely. So here we go, totally dried results of the pearl cell. Now I am re-leveling my canvas, making sure that it's gonna be okay. And I am going to do a dry Dutch pour. So that was me going ahead and kind of designing out what I wanna do. So I'm gonna do kind of a palm tree look here. So I am going to go ahead and let you guys watch. I was super nervous, so I was trying not to put too much paint down here in my blowout because I didn't want it to go crazy. So, I mean, there's a couple of times where I mess up, but I'm able to kind of fix it, and I really think it turned out cool. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch. Let me know what you think of the outcome. This is the first time I've ever done a dry Dutch pour. I did see Sarah Mack do it once, and so I thought, well, I'd give it a try. And yeah, if you like what you see, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and click all so you get notified each time I put out a new video. And as always, please comment, let me know what you guys think. Go over and check out my dad's YouTube channel, DJ Fluid Arts. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. I really appreciate you all being here, and if you have questions, definitely let me know. I always read my comments and respond to every single one. So thank you all, and have a great one.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. If we don't feel the same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay.